Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about two MNCs. One is going to be an Genpact and another going to be an Vinsole started their hiring. Before going to that, just subscribe and like my channel, my angle request guys. So I'm just providing 5 to 6 comments per day. If you are not regarding, comment me in the comment section. I will help you. The first one, which is going to be Genpact started their hiring for freshers from all over India for the business analyst role. They mention here itself, and the education qualification will be BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MBA, BSc, all can apply for this role. Flexible to work at any time, good communication skill, and you are going to work from all over India from the work from home job, from the masters, all can apply for this role. Everything they can mention in a clear vision of the pages, responsibilities, role, everything they can mention. You can visit here. If you are not, comment me. And the next one will be Vinsole goal for freshers from New Delhi for the full-time job of 2022 for the web development role. 8 to 10 LPA they can mention here for the developer, and 6 LPA for the 8 ESOP, and the candidate eligible criteria, and how many days they are working, what all the things they have provided, where should you applied, what all the things after training, everything they can mention here. Education qualification, BE, BTech, MTech, all can apply for this role. So as soon as exam is going to conduct there, so start apply. So this is what the two MNCs have provided here. You can search multiple job opportunities for your convenience. So don't hesitate to apply this kind of roles. This is one of the most important roles in IT MNCs. Can get easy jobs while applying itself. So if you are in doubt, comment me. I will help you guys. I'm just provided 5 to 6 MNCs per day. You can visit our channel at any time. So I will help you at any cost of it. Thanks for watching.